Morning and hello students. Now we are going to read the next cell organelle, that is called plastid, and the plastid is present only in the plant cell. It is not in the animal cell, so it's present only in the plant cell. And like mitochondria, it is also called semi-autonomous organelle. As I told you, semi-autonomous organelle means which can make some of the protein itself, and for the rest it depends on nucleus. As we read, the membranes and most of the parts of the cells are made up of protein, and ribosome is only called the protein factory. So कैसे बनता है बाकी सब जगह? Actually whatever is produced by in the direction of nucleus by ribosome, it is transported to the target site. But mitochondria and plastid are the organelles which can make some of its protein because they contain DNA, and the type of ribosome which it contains is 70S. As we read, they are called plastidosome. That's why they are called semi-autonomous organelle, means कुछ हद तक ही अपने वर्क का कंट्रोल खुद पे रखते हैं. Now the types are there: leucoplast, chromoplast and chloroplast. Leucoplasts, they are types of plastid which helps in the storage of food. Chromoplasts, they are the colorful type, and they provide specific and bright colors to the fruits and flowers so that they helps to attract and pollinators को, animals को attract करने में काम में आता है. And chloroplast, they have a green color pigment which we all know called chlorophyll, and that is helpful to capture sunlight and helps in the process of photosynthesis. The leucoplast is further of three types on the basis of type of food which is stored by it. Amyloplast, when it is stored carbohydrate, it called amyloplast. जब ये प्रोटीन स्टोर करेगा तो एल्यूरोप्लास्ट, एंड व्हेन इट इज स्टोर्ड लिपिड इज कॉल्ड इलियोप्लास्ट. क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द किचन ऑफ द सेल बिकॉज इट इज़ द एरिया जहाँ पे खाना बनता है, यानी जहाँ पे प्लांट्स जो मेन फूड है ग्लूकोज इज प्रिपेयर्ड. वन मोर थिंग, जो ल्यूकोप्लास्ट है इन द प्लांट सेल, जैसे कि कोई प्लांट सेल है, इन द प्लांट सेल जो ल्यूकोप्लास्ट है बिकॉज दे डू नॉट हेल्प इन टू कैप्चरिंग द सनलाइट, सो दे आर लोकेटेड अवे फ्रॉम सनलाइट. क्योंकि इनका फोटोसिंथेसिस में कोई रोल नहीं है तो ये सेंटर की तरफ होता है, बट रेस्ट ऑफ दैट विच हेल्प्स इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस दे आर लोकेटेड एट बाउंड्री सो दैट दे कैन कैप्चर मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ सनलाइट. क्योंकि इनका कोई रोल है नहीं, ये सनलाइट को कैप्चर नहीं करते हैं, तो ये सेंटर में लोकेट है. वेयर एज द क्लोरोप्लास्ट कैप्चर द सनलाइट, that's why they are located at the central area. As we read already, the chloroplast is called kitchen of the cell. The diagrammatic view of chloroplast, like mitochondria, it is also covered by double membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane. The membrane composition is the same. Lipoprotein means protein, lipid, protein, as we read in the plasma membrane. This is the space between the two membranes, we can say outer membrane space, and this is the entire area which is covered by inner membrane, so you can say to it inner chamber. In the जो inner chamber है, it is filled by homogeneous mixture, मतलब एक mixture से filled है, और इस mixture को हम कह सकते हैं stroma. Beside of it contain DNA, 70S ribosome, and these types of membrane bound sac इस तरीके के छोटे छोटे डिस्क के शेप के हैं, एंड दैट आर कॉल्ड थाइलेकोइड. ये ईच वन इज कॉल्ड थाइलेकोइड, एंड ये ग्रुप ऑफ थाइलेकोइड है, जैसे ये जो बंडल में है इज कॉल्ड ग्रेनम, एंड दे आर अटैच्ड बाय द हेल्प ऑफ फ्रेट चैनल. दे आर अटैच्ड टू ईच अदर बाय द फ्रेट चैनल. The process of photosynthesis is completed into the two-step light reaction and dark reaction. This is the simpler equation of photosynthesis, that CO2 plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll produces C6H12O6 plus oxygen. C6H12O6 यानी ग्लूकोज प्लस ऑक्सीजन. ये जो कंप्लीट रिएक्शन है ये दो स्टेप्स में पूरी होती है. पहला जो स्टेप है इसको लाइट रिएक्शन, and it takes place in granum, and second step is called dark reaction that completed into the stroma section. So actually what happened during this reaction? During the light reaction, the water is oxidized into the oxygen, यानी लाइट रिएक्शन जो कि ग्रेनम सेक्शन में हो रही है, वहाँ पे वाटर से ऑक्सीजन बनता है, एंड द डार्क रिएक्शन विच टेक्स प्लेस इन द स्ट्रोमा, उसमें जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है इट्स reduced into C6H12O6 means glucose. So it is not an entirely one reaction is completed into the steps. So here the chloroplast is completed. Once repeat again, chloroplast is called kitchen of the plant cell, covered by same double membrane, outer membrane, inner membrane. The inner homogeneous mixture called stroma. This disc-like structure thylakoid in which light reaction takes place. The group of thylakoid grenum. The stroma contains DNA and 70 ribosome so that it can make some of its protein itself. Two membranes. The grenums are connected by Fred channel. Photosynthesis completed into the two steps, light and dark. Light reaction takes place in granum in which water is oxidized into oxygen, and dark reaction takes place in stroma in which CO2 is reduced to glucose.